I've already lost some of my pepper plants thanks to the bunnies, and they're also susceptible to snails and slugs. So I made little collars out of the middle of a tape roll and coated it with a copper tape, and my plan is to just slip these over the plants like so, and hopefully keep the snails and slugs off. So here we go. Here's some basil. Now the basil's already looking pretty healthy considering what it looked like when I put it in there just a couple days ago. But oops, I missed that one. Here I've got my little collars around each of my peppers. Need to get some water on these guys tonight, I think. So here they are. I also pinched off some of the bottom leaves that were touching the ground, giving things a pathway. Got some basil planted in here. This is a sweet Thai basil, and this is a holy basil, which is looking pretty happy out here in the sun and the warmth. And what I did was I used a tomato cage and I just ran some string. I'm thinking as these peppers get higher, they may need a little bit of support to help them when they get lots of heavy peppers on them. And I'll add more lines as needed. But that's the pepper situation right now. Out here you can really see the damage to these leaves. Even though I have the diatomaceous earth around, I've just had too much rain. I think it washed pathways, and you can see the damage here. So I'm going to put these rings around these peppers as well.